Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 24th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the pound dollar is sitting at the 50%, definitely could be an area of resistance, and obviously there's a lot of support and resistance over here in the past, so it could be a pretty important area. Now, it is definitely high, low, high, low, high, low, high. And anything we see to the downside very likely could just be a pullback to the last wave up. It very likely could make another higher low and push up to a higher Fibonacci level. So unless it takes out this structure, I will continue to be bullish on sort of time frames and I will continue to look for pullback entries. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, since we did break down on the 1 hour, you can see we got to break a structure. We know that this wave from here to here is over. If that wave is over, the higher time frame 4 hour may potentially not be over, then this move down potentially could be a pullback to this wave up. So we are going to observe it to see if it makes some sort of a recognizable pullback, like an ABC, WXY, something like that, down to a Fibonacci retracement level, then makes a nice engulfing move to the upside. If it does, I definitely would continue to look for longs. As long as it doesn't break this low right here, I definitely am waiting patiently for more long opportunities. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.